In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set sale prices on Shopify products and how to adjust the compare at price to effectively display discounts to your customers. If you're running a promotion or simply looking to highlight discounts on your Shopify store, this is a crucial tool to ensure that your customers perceive the value you're offering, which can boost your conversions and sales. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, head over to the Products section on the left side of the dashboard. This section contains a list of all your products. Browse through your inventory and select the specific product that you want to showcase with a sale price. Clicking the product name will pull up its details, allowing you to modify various aspects, including its pricing. Next, we focus on the pricing section, where the magic happens. Here you'll notice two fields prominently labeled, the regular price and the compare at price. To set a product's sale price, you aim to enter a higher figure in the compare at price field. This value represents the original price the item was being offered at before the sale or the market retail price. It's a clever strategy because showing customers what they save can entice purchases. Now, carefully input the amount you want customers to see as the original price, reflecting a discount to the current price of the product. Be sure that your numbers align with your promotional strategy. Once you've made these changes, momentum is key. You must click Save to ensure your changes are applied. Saving your progress here is crucial because it confirms that all your hard work in setting these enticing sale prices is reflected on your Shopify storefront. At this point, if you've integrated a theme that supports such visual cues, shoppers browsing your store will see the original price struck through while the sale price shines prominently, making it clear how much they're saving. This contrast can catch a customer's eye and potentially drive a buying decision right away. To optimize this further, consider reviewing the rest of your promotional strategy, like making sure relevant banners or announcements are communicating these new prices effectively. Maybe even complement it with social media campaigns to drive traffic to your store. Remember, setting clear sale pricing doesn't just attract customers. It builds trust when they see value in your offers. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in confidently setting up sale prices on Shopify. Happy selling?